Hello folks, so today we're gonna be spending the entire day with the wifey. Yes, this is part of our birthday preparation, so welcome to a day in the life of. We start out the mornings usually jogging for about 3 to 4 miles, sometimes we do 5 miles. Then we're gonna head out to breakfast, and today she's getting birthday breakfast from Perkins Diner, so that's where we're heading right after. Let's go. So what my wife is telling me is that when you join the mailing list of most companies, they call you or email you on your birthday to give you little treats. And today she is making use of all of those emails. So birthday breakfast is up, and now we're gonna hit the street. So I promised the wife that I would give her the day today in celebration of our birthday coming up on the weekend. I wanna pray for me. Pray for me. Starting at the end of that mall, all the way down there, so come all the way to here, so, and even one store up there, so much places. Maybe I'm going here, so now see if we can find her. Help me please. So we're in the fresh market. One slice bread. Me? Not buying it. Not buying it. No, not buying it. No. Reserve your dry aged beef. Dry aged for 21 days. Look at that.
This is what you call marketing on the fringe.
Look at it.
Okay. It's not for the faint of heart or the weak.
Or the weak or the pocket. What you mind? Dry aged meat. Yeah. And then so
$32 piece.
look on a piece of $32. So
Per
when you buy it, then trim it back again for you. Cut it and cut off them old looking pieces. You gotta find it, babes.
Chocolate slices. What would you like? Let me see how they look.
Look, that's it there.
Vanilla.
I know she's gonna go for the chocolate. She's getting free birthday cake.
Do the chocolate. Give me just 1 second to put a label on it for you.
Free birthday cake.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. Have a great day. Appreciate it.
She said happy birthday again, okay?
Wait, do it again. Ready? Happy birthday!
Thank you.
So today was a good day, not so bad. You understand? We stopped at several different places, and this beautiful lady here, I would call her a coupon queen.
Why?
She made sure she get all of the coupon, then we email her and tell her, say them I give her something for birthday.
It's called gifts.
It's called gifts.
It's called birthday gifts.
You have to pull it out.
Birthday gifts. So don't sleep on your emails when it's birthday time. Just go in there and type in the word birthday, and you'll be surprised to see how many different stores, supermarkets, different vendors send you birthday deals or offers. So this morning I got free breakfast from Perkins. Shout out to Perkins. I just got a free slice of cake from the Fresh Market. Shout out to the Fresh Market. And I have a whole carton of ice cream to collect from Publix. Shout out to Publix.
So we're going Publix now?
I have stuff from Sephora. I have stuff from Macy's.
I think you actually thoroughly enjoyed doing that.
Why?
I think you just enjoyed it. You enjoy going in the store and saying it's my birthday and I want some stuff and I want the stuff that y'all promised me.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, you're right. I want it all. Give it to me. If you promise me, you're going to give it to me today.
Well, I'm here for the. I'm the transport guy, official Uber for the day.
Yes.
So, it is what it is.
So if y'all know of any other birthday giveaways.
Oh, and by the way, sorry, can I interject again? By the way, she is doing 50 from 50 for 50. If you guys are out there and you're part of her 50, make sure say you drop her 50. You understand? Because she's 50. So big up on yourself, eh?
Hey guys, Yardie Belly TV in the building. This is the wifey. So guys, hubby and we have been on a salad kick. Yes, a 2-day salad kick. Alright, so we have this nice green salad here. I can't even remember everything that's in it. I know it has some kale, it has some spinach, it has arugula, it has romaine lettuce, it has sugar snap peas, it has purple onions, it has purple cabbage, it has these star fruits, yes, also known as jimbilin, that we cut up on top. And we're gonna just put our salads together to eat now, and he's gonna put a mess of toppings on his.
No.
As for me, I usually keep it kind of simple. We are topping it. Huh?
Yeah, show the grilled chicken.
Yeah, grilled chicken. So we are gonna top it off with some chicken. And guys, this chicken is from the Fresh Market. We love to put you guys on. If you guys have never tried the Fresh Market's chicken, girl, boy, you better go try it. Also, we like to put some boiled eggs just for the added protein, you know, to strengthen up our structure. So we have 4 eggs right there. So yeah, then we do it. So this is the finished product, guys. Yeah, we just went ahead and topped it with a little bit of tomatoes and of course a little bit of cucumbers, the egg, the chicken, and a little bit of chopped almonds. And for me, I have some dried cherries. Hubby have the same thing minus the dried cherries. All right, that is it. Salad for dinner.